Hey everybody, it's Dee from Quickspeed, and in this short video I am going to show you how to sublimate onto a blank car coaster. Yes, blank car coasters are a hot trend. They are very popular with pretty much every part of the market that you could possibly imagine. Most people love to customize their car, and this is a great way to do it. If you can master the car coaster and if you can rock some of your custom designs, no doubt you can make at least 10 times your money back. So if that sounds like something you're interested in learning, stick around. I'll show you how to turn this into this. See you inside.
Okay, so you're going to print out your design and then you're going to fasten with heat tape the white side of the car coaster to the design. Then you're going to flip it over so that the paper is nearest to your top plate. Cover that with a piece of scrap paper and let's press it. Okay, and now as for time and temperature, I really like 385 degrees Fahrenheit, and I press each car coaster for about 50 seconds. Now obviously you can do these more than one at a time. I'm just doing it one at a time just to show you the demonstration. So 385 for 50 seconds, and the pressure is what I would consider in between light and medium. You really don't want to squish that car coaster and flatten it. If you find that your car coaster is way too flat after you open your heat press, you're going to want to make sure that your pressure is loosened quite a bit. There's no reason to give it firm pressure because these products do not have a tendency to ghost. Let's see how we did. Remember to put on your heat gloves because this product will be hot. Oh, and that looks good. Yeah, the colors are really vibrant and they are true to the colors of the American flag. I really like how that turned out. And I just want to pick it up here, give you a close-up look, and show you that the car coaster has not been flattened. All right, if you press it and you find you have flattened your car coaster, next time just back off that pressure. Here's a close-up of the completed car coaster, and here you can see that we've actually paired it with a matching air freshener.